Hello, artist. I've got a treat for you. We are diving into the Greek Cyclades, so I hope you're ready to go on a creative journey that will inspire you and help you make fun pieces you'll love and cherish. And by the way, if that word is foreign to you, then it could be because I mispronounced it, but I do mean that group of Greek islands that includes, for example, Santorini and Mykonos. Welcome to the mini sketching and painting class. It's all about mixed media, letting your creativity flow and soaking up the vibes of the Mediterranean. In this workshop, you'll learn how to capture the essence of the Greek islands with your own unique artistic style. From sketching the iconic architecture to painting the mesmerizing seascapes, every brushstroke will transport you to the sun-drenched shores of Greece. This class includes 2 hours of HD video instruction, carefully crafted to guide you through every step of the creative process. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, you'll find inspiration and guidance to help you hone your skills and express your creativity. We'll explore modern mixed media approaches, ditching traditional methods for creativity. I'll show you how to combine watercolors, gouache, pastels, and pencils to create beautiful works of art that not only capture the essence of the Greek islands, but create a piece that is all you. To fuel your inspiration, I've curated 2 Pinterest boards filled with lovely imagery and creative ideas straight from the heart of Greece and the heart of the internet. Let your imagination run wild as you explore the colors, textures, and sights that make the islands so magical. Enrolling in this class is a breeze, no passwords or complicated logins required. Once enrolled, you'll receive an email straight to your inbox with all the details. Simply access everything immediately on YouTube and Pinterest, and you're ready to dive right in. Why wait? You could be painting Greece right now. Join me for this fun adventure and let the inspiration flow in the Greek Cyclades. I think the Greeks say it much more pretty than I did. Anyway, this course is only 25 euros, which is, I think, the most affordable course I've ever offered. And it is just sweet and fun. And I hope to see you there. Find the link below.